If this is aki beke, what is this? It's not aki. Aki is the common name for nuts in Igbo. So this is aki beke and this is aki nkume. Some call it mboraki. We also have akilu, the kola nut. If this is ube beke, what is this? I'm sure you're getting the idea. Ube is the common name for pears in Igbo. We even have ube mbwa. We have ube beke. And this is ube oji. Ube oji. So it's not just pear. It's not just ube. If this one is obara obara, and this is aja aja, what is this? Somebody say we don't have pink in Igbo. The other one says pinky. There is nothing like pinky. It is ire, ire, ire. Because the color of the tongue is pink, just with the color of blood is red, and we call red obara obara, right? So we call pink in Igbo ire, ire. Yeah. Thank me by liking. Okay, so if this is okoba and this is neku, what is this? Not one ọkụkọ. If we call it one ọkụkọ, we can just call this nna ọkụkọ, and this is nne ọkụkọ, right? So we have a name for this in Igbo, and the name is Oriam ọkụkọ, Oriam ọkụkọ, or just Oriam. And then we have Nwasese. Some call it Nwasese. This is popular in Imo State and Abia State. Nwasese. Okay, so if this is okokporo, we like chatting okokporo, 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 go and marry. If this is okokporo, what is this? Agadi Ekwenka. No, no. This is okporo, okporo. You can see the similarity. Okorobia, abobia, okokporo, okporo. So the words are always connected. This is okokporo, and this is okporo. All right, the last one. If this is otubo, what is this one? It's not a ririafo. It's not a ririafo. A ririafo is the intestines inside. So the one outside, the one you cut out, the umbilical cord, that is called alo. Alo. And it's very significant in Igbo. We bury it, right? So whenever a person is drawn to something, an activity or a place, and the person is obsessed with that activity or going to that place, we usually ask the person, Eliraloge ebahu. Eliraloge ebahu. Eliraloge ebahu means, was your umbilical cord buried in that place or in that activity, right? So whenever someone is obsessed with something, we ask them, and that is a way of saying, like, are you one with that place? Like, is a part of you in this thing, right? So, eliri aloya na video game. His umbilical cord is buried in video game. So, there are other ways you can use this in Igbo. And if you learned something, got value, like and follow me for more. And while we're on value, if you follow me on my Instagram handle, every day I am teaching you one Igbo phrase, breaking it down, explaining and giving you use cases. And at the end, you have a short quiz to do to practice making sentences with these phrases in your own way. And if this is something you like to do, follow me on Instagram at Igbo Made Easy. It's Igbo Me, Igbo ME.